चुनार तूने ओढ़ी जसर पे
So with me today I have the organizers of today's program. So I would like to request them to introduce you all.
I'm Nirmal Toshniwal.
I am Ravi Agrawal. My name is Amit Kumar Sanghi.
Hi, I'm Mohit Dugar.
I am Ravikant Agrawal.
Hi, this is Rohit Mohta. Yeah, hi, this is Chetan Shetty.
मैं नवीन बटवाड़ा, मैं सुरेंद्र बाफना,
मैं सुरेंद्र कुमार शर्मा.
मैं हिमांशु मेठी।
मैं राहुल अग्रवाल 3 साल पहले एमवाईएम को लॉन्च किया. एमवाईएम का 3 साल से प्रेसिडेंट था, नया भी दोबारा प्रेसिडेंट हूँ. सब भाई लोगों के साथ है, सब भाई लोगों के साथ हैं. ये हम लोगों के बिना, सब भाइयों के बिना यहाँ तक पहुँच पाना बहुत मुश्किल था.
रंग भर के चुनर तूने ओढ़ी जसर पे ओ आज मौज में झूमे सारे भाग रगड़ के ओ रंग भर के चुनर तूने ओढ़ी जसर पे मौज में झूमे सारे भाग रगड़ के पगड़ी कलाई तेरी भागे जो तू छत पे तूने लगाया जो गुलाल मेरी शर्ट पे
रंग बरसे वाओ भीगे चुनर वाले रंग बरसे पलकी ने मारी पिचकारी तो भीगी अगिया वो रंग रसिया पीछे बैठाइए प्लीज.
चुनर तूने ओढ़ी जसर पे ओ आज मौज में झूमे सारे भाग रगड़ के
So today with me I have one of the organizers of this really beautiful and attractive festival. So I would like you to introduce yourself to our audience.
Thank you. Thank you, Indo Thai News. First of all, I thanks to Pavanji and you all of them. Today is the festival of Holi. We enjoy. Our association is MYM Thailand. Is full form is Marwari Yuva Manch Thailand. Basically, this organization is launched for the charity programs. We always do the charities where we need any community, Indian community or Thai community, like old age homes, orphanage, or sometime in schools like deaf and dumb schools. I do every 1 or 2 months big charities, and as the occasion of the Holi, we want to meet all the members together. So today is the festival of Holi. So I want to show the talent of Indian people. So today we organize a talent show for our small kids. As you see, more than 20 performances. Today we do all the ages of the kids, 4 years up to 20 years. Everybody enjoy. We give them trophies, certificates to encourage the peoples and the kids. Many types of Indian food, all the traditional food like thandai, gunji, everything is here. Today the member is this event only for MYM members, not for outsider. And our next ego is starting from charity next month also, and this time we start the women's wing, as all the the women encouragement, women's power. So now MYM also start the women's wing from next month to encourage all the women to make some different ways of charities, or how to support to Indian community and Thai community. During COVID-19 we also do many charities, but we respect to all, so we not share the photos on the Facebook or anywhere, because in COVID-19 I see many of Indian community or Thai community all have the problem. But if we share the photos, not look like something different we do, it's personally, it's top secret. But this time we want to do something for both community. Anybody want help us any type, MYM Thailand is always ready for me, and I always support from Pawanji, Indo-Thai News, and Pawanji do is very good job, free yoga day. MYM Thailand supports to Pawanji, and Pawanji supposed to always Indo-Thai News. Even Pawanji also to the sponsor of silver sponsor also. So thanks to Indo-Thai News to coverage our event. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. And one question I had for you. So you talked about how this program and this association works with a lot of charities here. So would you like to tell more about your charities to our audience?
Marwari Yuva Month in India, we have very big association. That's All India Marwari Month. In India, we have around 100,000 members and 650 branches. When before I India, my father called me like we have many branches. The India is mostly we do like blood group, cancers, or charities like wherever we need some school water. Anybody somebody have food essentials problem like this. Then one time we say everybody want to give the charity. But if we go together, we can do big charity. Then before 3 years, when my father come, we start the MYM Thailand. That time when we start, that day 20 members. Today I'm very proud to say I have 250 paid members, more than any old association in Thailand. Many old associations have members 50, 60, 100. But our aim is not any member, this is fully NGO, and 100% we only divert to Thai people or Indian people. That's why next time we start many things like school, girls schools, somebody like stationery they need, whatever they need, they contact to us.
So you have organized a very, very colorful and vibrant event. Thank you for inviting us as well. And our last question would be what would be your message to our audience who will be watching this video?
I give you only one message. That is the charity is the best thing for the humanity. Please do your charity, whatever you want to do, even 1 baht or whatever you want. If you don't pay by money, you give the time, or you give, if not give anything, you give a good smile to anybody. That is the best charity of the world. Thank you.
Thank you very much for your time. Thank you so much, sir.